Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we'll be solving another very interesting question from algebra. X is square root 2 over square root 7 plus square root 2 plus fourth root 4. Then we have to evaluate x power 5 over 32 plus x power 10. Let's say this expression is E. Now I will consider fourth root of 4. So we can write it is equal to 2 square. This is 4. And then we have whole power 1 over 4. Using exponent properties, we can write 2 times 1 over 4 in the power, which will give us 2 power half. Or I can write square root 2. So let's write here square root 2. So I will write here x equal to square root 2 over square root 7 plus square root 2 plus square root 2, which will be equal to square root 2 over 2 square root 2 plus square root 7. Now I can write 2 square root 2 in the denominator as square root 8. Then we have square root 7. Now I will rationalize our denominator. So I will multiply here with square root 8 minus square root 7 in the denominator and in the numerator. Now we have a plus b times a minus b form in the denominator. So we can use difference of two squares identity, which will give us square root 8 whole square minus square root 7 whole square, which will be equal to 8 minus 7 in the denominator. So conclusion is our denominator will be 1. Numerator is root 2 times root 8 minus root 7. So I can write x will be equal to root 2 times square root 8 minus square root 7. Or we can write square root 2 times square root 8 square root 16 minus square root 2 times square root 7 square root 14. Now square root 16 is 4, square root 14. This is our x. After rearranging the terms, I can write 4 minus x will be square root 14. Now I will consider squaring both sides. So square root and square will be over. Now in LHS we can apply a minus b whole square identity. So we can write here x square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 14. Or I can write x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 14. So plus 2 equal to 0. Now x is non-zero. So we can divide both sides by x. Now I will split our numerators. So we will get x minus 8 plus 2 over x equal to 0 over x 0. Now I will add 8 to both sides. So we will get x plus 2 over x equal to 8. Now we will consider x is equal to a and 2 over x equal to b. So I can write a plus b equal to 8. And if I will multiply both, so I will get a times b. This will be equal to x times 2 over x. So x and x will be over, value will be 2. So I can write a times b equal to 2. Now I will write our equation a plus b equal to 8. Then I will consider squaring both sides. So we'll get a square plus b square plus 2 times ab equal to 64. Now AB is 2. So I can write a square plus b square plus 2 times 2 equal to 64. So I can write a square plus b square plus 4 equal to 64, or we will get the value of a square plus b square. 64 minus 4, 60. Let us say this is our equation number 1. Now I will consider cubing both sides. So I will write a plus b equal to 8 power 3 power 3. Now a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab in the bracket a plus b. 8 cube is 512. Now our equation ab was 2 and a plus b, it is 8. Let's apply the values. So I can write a cube plus b cube plus 3 times 2 times 8 equal to 512. So I can write a cube plus b cube plus 48 equal to 512, or we will get a cube plus b cube. This will be equal to 512 minus 48. So this value will be equal to 464. So our equation a cube plus b cube equal to 464. We will call this is equation number 2. Now I will perform operation 1 times 2. So equation 1 was, let me write here, a square plus b square. This value was 60. This was our equation number 1. Now I will multiply both the equations. Let's multiply. So I will write here a square plus b square times a cube plus b cube equal to 60 times 464. So a square times a cube, a power 5, b square times b cube, b power 5. Cross product will get a square b cube plus b square a cube. So a square b square will be common. In the bracket, it will be a plus b. And if I will take the product in RHS, this will come out 27,840. Now AB was 2 and A plus B was 8. So here I will be putting 8 and here I will be writing 2 square. So I can write here A power 5 plus B power 5 plus 4 times 8, 32 equal to 27,840, or we will get a power 5 plus b power 5 will be equal to 27,840 minus 32, which will be equal to 27,808. Now a was x, so I will write x power 5 plus b was 2 over x, so it will become 32 over x power 5 equal to 27,808. Now x power 5 I can write x power 10 over x power 5 plus 32 over x power 5 equal to 27,808. Now denominator is same. I will write x power 5 In numerator, this will become x power 10 plus 32. RHS is 27808. So required expression E is the reciprocal of what we calculated. So I will consider reciprocal both sides. We will get our answer E equal to x power 5 over 32 plus x power 10. This value will become 1 over 27,808. This is our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Take care of yourself.